Still struggling with large area cleaning? Check out this number to 64,500 square feet per hour. That's the real performance of the SANITMAX SM1050A sweeper we're reviewing today. What amazes me most about this machine is its triple brush design. The 41-inch ultra-wide cleaning path is equivalent to 3 people sweeping simultaneously. The main 17.5-inch brush handles deep cleaning, while 2 16.5-inch side brushes ensure no corner is missed. Speaking of efficiency, let's do the math. Traditional manual sweeping covers about 1,000 square feet per hour per worker. This machine? 64,500 square feet. That's the efficiency of 65 workers, but only requires 1 operator. More importantly, the battery life. 2.5 to 3 hours of continuous operation, combined with 2.3 miles per hour travel speed, means you can clean large facilities non-stop. We tested it in a 20,000 square foot warehouse, finished in just 20 minutes. The most surprising feature is its quiet operation. At only 59 decibels, it's quieter than normal conversation. What does this mean? You can use it during business hours without disturbing customers or employees. This machine has incredibly versatile applications. Concrete floors in warehouses and distribution centers? No problem. Dust and debris in factory workshops? Handled with ease. Daily maintenance in shopping malls? Quiet operation won't disturb customers. Even outdoor parking lots with leaves and litter, it cleans everything spotlessly. The 2.1 cubic feet super large hopper reduces emptying frequency. How big is this capacity? It's equivalent to 3 standard trash bins combined. Let's calculate the economics. If you hire cleaning staff at $15 per hour, annual labor costs alone would be tens of thousands of dollars. This machine? One-time investment, years of use. The long-term return on investment is remarkable. Not to mention the management convenience. No worrying about sick leave, employee turnover, or complex scheduling. One person can operate it, simple and efficient. If you're struggling with large area cleaning, if you want to improve cleaning efficiency, if you want to save on labor costs, don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below. Order today and start enjoying efficient cleaning convenience tomorrow.